do this right now. Hello, everybody. My name is Sanad, and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. And now let's jump straight into the video. As you guys know, everything is crashing. The entire crypto market is going lower. The stock market is going lower. And real estate is about to crash big time. So you're probably wondering, what can I do right now in order to make a ton of money, in order to pretty much change your life in the next couple of years? It is very simple. You have to increase your income. I know that will be very difficult, but that is, in my opinion, the most important thing that you can do right now in order to become successful in a couple of years. If you really think about it, that is the only option. If you take money right now and you put it into crypto, guess what will happen? It will go lower. 20,000 Bitcoin is not the bottom. All coins will trend even lower. Pretty much wherever you invest your money right now, it will go lower. If you buy some stocks, stocks will go lower. If you buy real estate right now, you're probably buying at the very top. And most likely when the real estate bubble bursts, it will head even lower. If we were in a bull market, it will be a totally different story. But right now, we are in a full-blown bear market. If it was the bull market, yeah, buy up as much stocks, as much crypto, as much real estate as you possibly can. Buy all the dips. But in a bear market, that is definitely not good advice. And if the economy was doing good and the recovery was just around the corner, I would be buying up everything. But this is just the beginning. Everything will go lower. So that is why I keep telling everyone, increase your income. The next 12 months to 24 months are going to be extremely difficult. There will be a lot of awesome deals in the stock market, in crypto, and in real estate. But if you don't have the income, if you don't have the cash available to buy up these deals, it is not going to make a difference. So right now, I'm simply stacking up on cash and trying to increase my income as much as possible. When the real estate bubble pops, man, oh man, the people that have cash will be able to make amazing purchases. Also, think about reducing your debt to income ratio, especially if you want to get into real estate. If you have credit card debt or bad loans or anything like that, consider paying those off and removing them. That way you'll be positioned perfectly to buy your next rental property or a duplex or your first home. If you have a good debt to income ratio, you'll be able to get as much money as you can. But if you have a ton of debt, especially bad debt like credit cards, the banks will not give you money. Even if we are in a bear market and real estate is down 50%, you still won't be able to purchase a rental property if your credit is bad and if your debt to income ratio is way off. No bank will lend you money, especially in times of toughness, in times when the entire economy is down. Banks become very strict when it comes to giving out money. So make sure you position yourself perfectly. That way you'll be ready when the time is right. So forget about finding the next gem, the next 1,000x coin, and focus on increasing your income. You'll thank me later. All right, everybody, that is all I have for you today. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. And see you in the next video. Peace out.